Good afternoon, dear students. Welcome to our school, Suman Ramesh Tulsiani International School, Kamsher. Our class 4th subject is EVS Part 2, and already we have started the chapter number 8, that is the defeat of enemies. So, in that we have seen by the force then how the Shivaji Maharaj defeated with the Chandra Rao, means why he has defeated. Then we have seen Supei, कोंडा जी, दादाजी कोंडा जी, उनके साथ उन्होंने कैसे डिफीट किया. सो लेट अस सी अवर न्यू पॉइंट ऑफ द सेम चैप्टर, रिबेल एंड यू विल डाई. Shivaji first sent a stiff note to Yashwantrao More. So what Shivaji did, he sent a stiff note, harsh note to the Yashwantrao More. You call yourself the Raja, but I am the Raja of this territory. This kingdom is Lord Shiva's gift to me, so do not call yourself the Raja. What Shivaji Maharaj said, you call yourself the Raja, but I am the Raja of this territory, I am the Raja of this area. So this is the king, this kingdom is Lord gift to me, so you do not call yourself the Raja. In a very rude reply, Yashwantrao said, you are a Raja of only yesterday. Who gave you this kingdom? If you come to Javli, you will be trapped. What Yashwantrao given the reply to Shivaji Maharaj? He said that you was the Raja of only yesterday. Who gave you this kingdom? This is mine. If you come to Javli, you will trapped. You will be catched by us. By the grace of God, I have received from Adil Shah the title of Raja. He has also in his graciousness given me a throne and a panoply of a Raja. If you start any trouble here, you will be badly hurt. So on that, what Yashwantrao said, I have received this from Adil Shah, the title of Raja. He has also in his graciousness given me a throne and panoply of Raja. So these authorities has given by Adil Shah. If you start any trouble, you will be badly hurt. So Yashwantrao said to Shivaji Maharaj. Shivaji replied, give up Javli and your pretensions to kingship. What Shivaji Maharaj said, give up your Javli and your pretensions to kingship. Come before your master and folded hands and accept his service. You will refuse to do so at the risk of your life. The conquest of Javli was a difficult operation. It was covered with thick forest and protected by impregnable Raigiri fort. It was very difficult to achieve Javli, to conquest Javli. It was covered with thick forest and protected by the impregnable, means it is fully protected by tough wall sides, Raigiri fort. More also had numerous followers. More also had so many friends, so with their support he can defeat with them. Shivaji after making through preparation attacked Javli. Yashwantrao held out about a month but suffered a very heavy losses. So Shivaji Maharaj had prepared so many plans. He attacked on Javli, and due to that what happened, Yashwantrao suffered a heavy loss in this Fort Raigad. The conquest of Javli was a very important landmark. They doubled the boundaries of a Swarajya under Shivaji. Yashwantrao's army to join the force of Shivaji Maharaj. So after conquering the Javli, after attack on Raigiri, Yashwantrao's army also joined the Shivaji Maharaj force. The strong Raigiri fort became a part of Swarajya. Shivaji was highly pleased to have this fort under his control. He changed its name to Raigad. Later on, he built a new fort on his Bhorpaya hill nearby. It was named as Pratapgarh. Okay, so in this way we have completed our chapter. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much.